Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to earn some extra cash and have some fun at the same time? Well, grab your phone and let's get started with this amazing new app. In this video, we'll show you how you can earn over $500 just by watching videos on this new app. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Are you tired of feeling like your spare time is wasted on mindless scrolling? Do you want to turn those minutes or hours into cash? Well, look no further, because today we're going to introduce you a way to earn it online. You may have come across various apps and websites that promise you quick and easy money, but most of them turn out to be scams. However, gg2u.org is not one of them. With rates of up to $3 per video and up to $10 per survey and up to $5 per game, gg2u.org is a legitimate app that allows you to make some extra money in your spare time. In this comprehensive guide, we'll take you through the steps of how to watch videos and earn money on gg2u.org and also provide you with some exclusive tips that will help you maximize your earnings. Step 1. Get started. The first step in earning money with gg2u.org is to grab your trusty phone and switch it on. The app works on both ISO and Android devices, so don't worry about what kind of phone you have. Once your phone is on, head over to the App Store and download the gg2u.org app. Once downloaded, open the app up and create a free account by entering your first name, email address, a username, and a password. Step 2, straightforward way to earn money on gg2u.org is by watching videos. Click on the Watch Videos tab on the top of the page and start exploring the different channels available. From food videos to viral videos to chillax videos, there's something for everyone. You can earn up to $3 a video depending on the length and complexity of the video. Trust us, it is worth it. Step 3. Complete the survey. Another way to earn money on gg2u.org is by completing surveys. Click on the Surveys tab on the top of the page and start answering questions. You can earn up to $10 a survey depending on the length and complexity of the survey. Step 4. Play games. If you're a gaming enthusiast, you'll love gg2u.org. Click on the Games tab and start playing your favorite games. You can earn up to $5 a game, and there's a variety of games to choose from. Step 5. Participate in giveaways. If you're feeling lucky, you can even participate in gg2u.org's daily giveaways. Simply click on the Giveaways tab and follow the instructions to enter. You can win anything from gift cards to cash prizes. Step 6. Maximize your earnings. Now that you know the different ways to earn money on gg2u.org, let's talk about some tips to help you maximize your earnings. Bonus tip 1. Watch multiple videos. When you click on the gear settings, make sure to select the lower setting, 240p. By watching multiple videos and channels simultaneously in the background, you can earn 3 times as much money, if not 5 times as much. Plus, it saves you a lot of data or internet speed, so it's a smart choice to go for the lowest setting. Bonus tip 2. Watch viral videos. If you're looking to make even more money, click on the Viral Videos channel or the Up Next section on the right. When you watch a video all the way through from the first 0 seconds to the last 4 minutes, you can win bonuses of up to $2 to $4 for each video. Bonus tip number 3. View more videos. By clicking on the arrow button, you can view even more videos to watch. Each and every one of these videos can give you access to 7 additional videos when you click the arrow. That means you can watch 7 bonus videos in total to make extra money online. Step 7. Complete your profile information. To get access to more surveys and other earning opportunities, make sure to complete your profile information. This will help gg2u.org match you with surveys that are relevant to you and your interests. Step 8. Check your email regularly. gg2u.org often sends out notifications for special earning opportunities, so make sure to check your email regularly. You don't want to miss out on any exclusive offers or bonuses. Step 9. Refer friends. The more friends you refer to gg2u.org, the more money you'll make. You'll earn 5% of their earnings for life, so make sure to refer your friends and family to gg2u.org. Step 10. Payment options. When it comes to getting paid, gg2u.org offers a variety of payment options, including PayPal, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies, as well as gift cards, Skrill, Paytm, Gcash, bank transfers, and more. This makes it easy for you to choose the payment method that works best for you. Step 11. Conclusion. In conclusion, GG2U.org is a legitimate app that allows you to earn money in your spare time. With rates of up to $3 per video, up to $10 per survey, and up to $5 per game, GG2U.org offers some of the highest rates compared to other similar websites. With the exclusive tips we provided, you can make even more money than the average user. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account on GG2U.org and start earning money today. I hope that you learned some awesome tips and tricks to help you earn even more money online by simply watching videos. With GG2U.org, you can turn your spare time into cash and make money while enjoying your favorite videos. Make sure to hit the bell icon, like our videos, and subscribe to our channel. Also, check our other videos on our screen to make sure you have all the tips in the world to start making your own money from home. We'll see you in our next video.